Hello everyone. I have here my dinner, and I have here a very tasty dinner today. I have a lot of foods today, praise the Lord. And we will start here. Yes, this is the crab. I-close lang natin. This is the crab. Yeah, it's a different kind of crabs, guys, huh? And this is the real looks a crab in the sea, no? Yeah. And I have here a fish, and I have here some tuna, and this is my goyabano. This is a goyabano. This is a goyabano, and this is a banana. This is my dessert, and I will put this this is vinegar for my crab, so let's start to eat now. Wow, guys, as you can see, it's still smoking, and this rice is a lot. So I already pray it, so we will start eating. Before I make a video, I already prayed it, no, so that it's not pa. Oh yeah, so this is a very tasty food. The fish and the crab. This one, it should be a, what do you call this? I like the crab from the sea, because it's take along. There is the differentiate of these two things, no? I mean these two, this is the crab. So this is a crab from the sea. Wow, look at this one, guys. Oh, it's a lot of, I don't know if this one is baby. Maybe this one is baby. Yeah, maybe. Egg. Wow. The small crab is very yummy. No? This one, guys, is like a mukbang. Sorry, because this one is so small. This one, guys, it's too small. So, this is how lovable girl eat the crab. Alright. This crab is early mature, because it's so the food of crab is going here. Aray. So I removed there. You get hungry if you watch me. So this fish, wow. Okay, this is the fish, the meat. The meat of the fish. Very yummy. I like the rice because it's kind of very oh, this one naman guys is face shorter. We will try this. Look at the back. It's a small, no? But this one is already mature. Oh no, yeah. Let's this one. They are different. They are different taste. The taste of the crab from the sea is really different from the crab in the not in the sea. Yan. Kumati na yung dila ko. They are very noisy up the house. Here now, finish, and we will going here for this. This one is like a cotton. This is the yan. Let's proceed the banana. So much tasty, guys, my dinner today. Thank you very much for watching. God bless. I love you all. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye.